Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to activate silence gestures on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the settings. And now in this settings page, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find here the gestures options. Now tap on it. Now you just have to scroll it down again and again until we'll find here the option which is pick up to silence. So if you want to activate the silence by gesture, you just have to tap on it first and activate the button beside it. And also here at the bottom you will see the try it out options. So now I'm gonna try it first. I'm gonna put this phone like this. This is for example, yeah guys. And when it's ringing, you just have to up it first and it will silence automatically. I'm gonna tap on the button beside it first. To save it, you just have to go back here guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.